Sorry, y'all. So this is the final result of everything. All of those are either backups or ones that I don't want to open yet. Right there, we do have a Versace for women, 2 Laura Merciers, Vanille. I have one up there. It is, oh my gosh. Coach Legacy, Coach Bloom, a few different coaches. Another Versace Bright Crystal. I told y'all that I bought dupes for the giveaway. That is a full size. Pay attention, people. Next, we have, this is where I've been putting things this whole time. I think this came out really nicely. Though I use this almost daily, excuse me, I don't feel like, let's see. So, do I have to go through a lot to get to it? And can I put it back easily? Yes, I can. Okay. So yeah, I use that every day. Not every day, but quite often. But I want it to be with her sisters. So up here, I don't know if you remember me saying I like for my stuff to look like a store. I like to walk in and for it to look like I can shop in my own closet. This is the aftermath of everything. And this toner has to go in here. This is the only shelf that is the exact height of the thigh, so I'm going to use that shelf for toners and serums. None of the other drawers pull out, just the top one. That's why that's the perfume one. Anyway, all of these are Estee Lauder variations of Magnolia. I have the full size right here and backups. This is actually how I purchase it. Until they take it away, this is how I'm going to be buying it, because the original size is $85. Can y'all see the math that I'm... Put it in the comments that y'all can see the math, please. Marc Jacobs graduated up here because she's pretty. I don't even know what she smells like, but she's pretty. The whole purpose of all this is just because I like formulations in different bottles. Amazing Grace made it up here because cost effective, very large bottle. I can use it every day and not feel guilty about it. Which again, you should not feel guilty about using any of them because you paid for them. Anyway, there's Libre back there, a little oil that I showed you guys earlier. This is a Estee Lauder little travel thing. It's magnetized. It's super cute. This is the thing that it came in. It has 2 other scents in there. That's my little Chloe thing. These are all little, like, perfume baby sample sizes. Now, this is not done because I have other little gift sets coming. Like, I have a Prada one, which I did buy a backup of that. I can't remember. Not off the top of my head right this second. Now, behind the Estee Lauder, we have some Clinique. The blue one, the final one to this set, should be on the way. There is one space for it. And these are all different variations of Clinique Happy. Now, when possible, get the sample sizes of majority of the things you're going to use if you use a lot of different perfumes. Because it is physically impossible to go through all of this perfume. You're not going to make it through all of this perfume. Okay? It's quite literally impossible. But if you actually want to use the perfume and you don't want to feel guilty about the money that you spend doing it, try to get little gift sets like this. Like, for instance, what's this Is it? Nope. This one, Cookies and Kisses. I'm dyslexic, y'all leave me alone. And Cocoa and Cashmere. Those actually came in a gift set that was $35. Normal price, one of these is $35. And yes, I loved them so much that I spent $35 on each of these. Instead of getting the full sizes of them, yes, I got the little ones. Why? Because they're just as pretty as the full sizes. They fit in lipstick holders, so they don't take up a lot of space. And I am not going to use it all. So it was something that I can put on display, not being excessive with large size bottles. Like, I love it. Clinique, y'all did y'all big one with this. Y'all need to come out with more variations of that. This is the Aromatics Elixir. This is a classic. A whole bunch of aunties had this one too. Okay. I bought it for nostalgia. I've used it like 4 or 5 times, and I don't know what it is. It smells like a sexy old lady. It does. And every time I put it on, that Negro start acting weird. So anyway, it's like those spicy smells that have like a little bit of cashmere behind it. It does it. Apparently, that has like 700 ingredients in it. I don't know what they was thinking, but it works. Now over here, you can see that says that's Le Monde Gourmand, which a whole bunch more of them are coming. Because let me tell you, for the price, Vanilla Mousse, Bomb. This one, for some reason, it smells like my best friend. If I'm lonely and I miss her, spray this. And this, it doesn't smell fully like peach, just slightly, but it smells great as a whole. And all of these are less than 20 bucks. So I can use them freely and not feel guilty. And they actually last. Like, they last at least 6 hours. This is my favorite right here. This is my favorite. As you can tell, those backups down there, that's what these are. And we have this one. This one is nice, but this one, the Tahari, I'm not sure how you say it. Every single time I found this, it would, like the backup, it was in a random place. Like, one was in the makeup section. But every time I'm actually looking for it, I can never find it. So, I bought them. I think this is $14. The others are $16. And I think this one is $14 too. Now, I think that is actually everything. There is hand cream right there because I like to put a little bit of hand cream before I put a lasting scent on. But we're going to get into this Bath and Body Works another day because I have to go pick up a car. But I hope y'all enjoy the video. Yeah. The next 45 minutes or 52 minutes, however long the video was, is just going to be me unboxing all of this. Hope you enjoy it. Have a blessed weekend.